So this is 205 part 3. So just how to graph horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. Vertical lines have a slope that is undefined. So for horizontal lines, it's going to be y equals. Vertical lines are going to be x equals. So I just gave you a few examples down below. This is something that tends to be tricky for students because they're trying to memorize this as a rule. These are y equals. So I could rewrite this y equals 0x plus 2, or y equals 0x plus 0. So I can see that the slope of these lines is 0. If I've got an x equals, this is just undefined. I can't put that in slope-intercept form because I don't have a y equals. So this is just going to be a horizontal line at 2, y equals 2. This one's going to be a horizontal line at 0, y equals 0. This is going to be a vertical line at 5. All my x values are 5. And you can check that you have the right answer. So if I just identified a couple points on my line, like this is 5, 0, 5, 2, 5, 4. See how all of my x values are 5? So I know that I did the problem correct. No matter where I am on the line, x is 5. So that's graphing vertical and horizontal lines. And then the last part that you're going to have to do on the homework tonight or tomorrow is to write the equation from the graph. So all we're trying to identify is the slope and the y-intercept, and then write it y equals mx plus b. So my y-intercept on this is 3. And what's the slope? So do a slope triangle for yourself. I went down 3, right? And I went over 2. So negative 3/2 is my slope. Y equals negative 3/2 x plus 3, because 3 was my y-intercept. See if you can write an equation for B and C on your own, and then we'll put the answer up in a minute. So we come up with an equation for part 4B. Let's see, it looks like my y-intercept is at 3. What was the slope for this one? Up 3 over 2, it looks like. So y equals 3/2 x plus 3. So that was a positive line. This one was a negative line. And then this is a vertical line, so x equals negative 5 is how you write the equation for a vertical line. So now people are going to try the guided practice if they haven't. So here are the solutions to the 205 guided practice. So you can pause the video and check your answers.